Was good, everybody. So I just changed the speed sensor on the Nissan Frontier. Watch out for the sensor, because you gotta remove the whole assembly. Take off those bolts right there, ones around, loosen this one's up, the two right here, this one and that one, and this whole drive shaft just slides out. And then you gotta take off these bolts from the bottom, all the ones that go around, and these two bolts right here, and this one, the support, the, what's it called, the one that holds the transmission still, and the sensor's right here, right there inside. You got to take out the oil, remove the oil pan, all the screws that go around, and the sensor's about to be right there, to the one that connects to the transmission module. Pain in the ass, but everything's back to normal, man. I just need to dump the oil back in and we're set. Pain in the ass, people. Pain in the ass to get to that sensor. I'll leave a picture how it looks inside for y'all to see. And this little part that I had a little struggle with, for you can know how it goes, because I couldn't find anything on the internet. So that's the speed sensor. It goes like that.